Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you what you can do if your Xbox app won't let you sign into your Twitter account on Windows 10. So what happens is that when you open the Xbox app and go to the app's settings, you get this option to sign into Twitter. Clicking it though doesn't do anything. You get a loading screen for a bit and then nothing. And when you click it again, your screen just blinks. To fix it, what you have to do is open an app. The app doesn't necessarily have to be a game. It can be any app. I'm going to go with Chrome. So open the app and then tap the Win+G keyboard shortcut. This is going to open the game bar. On the game bar, you want to tap this cogwheel button that's going to take you to the game bar settings. On the game bar settings, you want to click Accounts. And the Accounts tab shows you an option to sign into Twitter. Go ahead and click it and you'll be able to sign into Twitter. Once you're signed in, you can use the game bar to tweet photos of your game or videos of your game that you've recorded. So this works fine, but even though you're signed into Twitter on your game bar, the Xbox app still will not show you sign into Twitter. This is a bug and unfortunately there's no fix for it just now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.